Alright. Wait. What? Why does it say live chat is currently unavailable? Alright, let's get started, my NGAs. Just started. Alright. Um let's see. Just keeping it simple. Simple. Did you learn from TGR? No, not really. Not really, to be honest with you.
Well, we're gonna have to go over that because I have no idea. I really don't want to do SMTs right now because I feel like I just want to get down the basic shit. But I really want to know when the market's gonna go up. Like I can tell by the lower time frame and trend change. Like that's how I've been trading. But I think, like you can see, it was pretty obvious that yesterday we were gonna go up in the 4 hour. Like we took out all that low resistance. Like right here, you see we took out all these lows.
Let's see. The Huz are texting.
Right? But we have all these highs. All this liquidity. All this liquidity, right? Swept this high, boom. Okay. So do we make any new PD arrays? That's my question.
Yeah, like that is the same picture that you were talking about yesterday, right? Like, how do you know if price is gonna like reverse after tapping that PD array, like after sweeping all the low resistance liquidity? Yeah, like standard deviation gives you like a nice projection of where like price is gonna reverse from. Because negative 3.5 to 4 gives you like a good, a solid idea of where price is more likely to reverse from. And as you can see, price tapped the negative 3 standard deviation and then started reversing up after tapping that 4 hour value gap and after sweeping at that low resistance liquidity. Wow, I'm a fucking G. I'm an actual G. All right, let's get started. Pretty much today, what I'm looking at is like longs aren't a bad idea, but I want to see what happens during this session here. I'm basically trading quarterly theory. I'm trading quarterly theory. Um, this is my accumulation phase. I'm gonna let 924 or I'm gonna let 923 or 924 all the way to 945, and we're gonna play the distribution candle. Have you started playing Roblox or Wizard 101 as yet instead of gambling trading? But I started playing a little bit of Wizard 101, but like low key, like it got boring as fuck. Man, I spent like $5 on a membership. You're trading for high rock. Bro, I invested in this meme coin. I don't know if you guys heard of it. Bro, it's been all over like TikTok and everything, bro. I don't know if you guys heard of the meme coin Deej. I think it's this one. Wow, it completely dumped, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I bought at the top like an idiot. I bought at the top, so bro, this is bad. I put in like $50. I got in this meme coin Deej and low key, um, are kind of cooked. I need people to start buying. Or did we just get rugged? Or did we just get rugged, bro? Bro, everyone was telling people, everyone was saying like, oh, this is Deej is the new Trump coin. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'll just put in like $50. It's fine. But they say July 20th is whenever it's gonna go popping. Whenever it's gonna go crazy. July 20th. Let's see what happens here. I just want to see what happens. Are you balding? No, never. Never. No, this is the NASDAQ. Like, see, I like this. I like how we're manipulating at a key time. We're manipulating at a key time. Okay, so accumulation, manipulation, and I would like to see like a higher time from PD array, like a 15-minute or like some sort of like literally any sort of PD array, like a fair value gap. Bro, the Huz is calling, bro. The Huz are calling. I'm not answering that shit. Low key. You start using Rogaine for your hairline? Rogaine. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. I don't run it. Alright, let's see what happens here. Standard deviation is projecting price. Please tell me it's a high. It's not a high. I think to our left. We could come down to these levels first, which is matching perfectly with this hourly fair value gap. That could be an option. And plus, if we go on the hourly, we do have lots of low resistance liquidity here. So I would like to see price come down a little bit more before going higher. And that would be my ideal like play for the day. Lots of low resistance liquidity. Marking my standard deviation from this high to this low, because on the left we don't really have a leg. So I'm anything after like 9 o'clock or anything before 9 o'clock, it's just time distortion for me. So then like I'm wanting to see price dump down to this hourly fair value gap or some sort of higher time from PD array. And then for us to go higher here, because see it's standard deviation projection price to go higher from this area, so that's good. I'm getting a buzz cut, bro. Having so much hair is like such a pain in the ass. Right now, I'm not touching anything until like 9:45, to be honest with you. Get a fade. Nah, I might do that too. What's up, Krishy? I want to see price go lower here. This is my standard deviation for right now. Price come down to the higher time from PD array. This hourly fair value gap, or potentially this 4-hour fair, or potentially this unmitigated hourly fair value gap. I'm not opposed, right? But I would like to see price start to react during 9:45 for us to go higher here. So like I said, I'm not touching anything. Like, bro, I was journaling so much last night, or I thought I was journaling a lot last night. Well, I don't know. Like, I was journaling and like just making sure it works, you know what I mean? And like, yeah, of course I took a loss here, I won here, one here. Like, yeah, of course. But I just gotta lock in. Do the same thing I was doing back testing on the charts, bro. So like right here, standard deviation, projection, hourly fair value gap. I want to see SMT inside of here, and then something here, and then like a minute CIZ or some shit like that.
No, it's not even that I don't care. Like, I don't know. I don't really care where it's going to reverse from. I just kind of align a PD arrays. Like, I know right now we can't sell off, if anything. Oh, we're going to sell off, I meant, into lower, because if you look at the 1 minute, you can tell that we're clearly trending down. I don't know. Well, let me just call you. We're definitely still solid. I just don't like that too much, not gonna lie. I want a fair value gap. See, we already tapped into this 1 hour, so I don't see us coming back. Plus, we already swept below. So that was a missed opportunity.
Not gonna lie, I kind of want to see price come back down to that low or even lower, because standard deviation for me is projecting price to come lower to that hourly fair value gap that you marked out, or the one that's like right under that one that got mitigated. So like I said, I'll see what happens, but I am low-key looking for bullish scenarios. The Huz are texting, bro. The Huz need help. I'm there to save them. I'm there to save the Huz. What made you learn everything you know today? YouTube and like lots of YouTube, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What strategy is it this time? Quarterly theory. Just using. I'm just implementing time more. I'm just implementing time. Cause yeah, like the price action that I see, it's there, but time is like important also. And that's what I realized these past few days is like time is important. Like you need to have time for price to go in that direction. And yeah, I knew that for the longest time, but I just never knew how to implement time because I was always just like, oh, 9 a.m. to 10:30 or 9 to 11 or 10 a.m. Silver Bowl. Like that's how I only knew time. People don't really dive into time. A lot of these fucking like people, they don't dive into time at all. And like that's where I mess up the most. But now like discovering quarterly theory, it's able to like kind of give me like an idea of where like when price is going to go or right what price is going to do, the trading, the phases of trading, all this stuff. Bro. And the thing is, like, I was strategy hopping, and the only reason why that is because, like, where there's so many trading strategies, bro, that they all work. They all work. So it's like, bro, they all work. Which one is gonna be the best? You know what I mean? Well, we'll see what happens. Like I said, I want to see price come back down to this hourly or this -2 standard deviation, but I do want to mark out that we are in. I think that I like so far actually. We are sweeping internal range liquidity here. We have no SMT. We have slight SMT here, but it's not in a key time, so I'm not really tripping. I'm kind of just waiting. Actually, a month when I was watching you a few months ago, you weren't consistent. Glad to see you made it, bro. Perhaps, hopefully. Thank you. Like I said, I need to get on more evals, bro. Low key, and just full port that shit. Yo, what a wickmonger. Let's see. Like I said, bro, I'm low key just on the woman end now, because like back testing the strategy, it definitely like did make everything work a lot better, bro. Host of trade wars, perhaps the back testing trade wars. Winner gets an iPad. Wait, I have a question. If I was to like do like a giveaway, like an iPad or like a MacBook, would you guys join, bro? Come on, come on. Because I thought about it, I'm like, bro, that would go crazy. Like a MacBook, a MacBook. Take it anywhere you go. To trade. Would you rather be 7'4" or stay the height you're at right now? Bro, 7 foot, obviously. Come on. But it's okay, because God has given me the gift to be at this height, and I should be happy. I shouldn't be stressed about the height that I have. You feel me, G? This long opportunity is not for me. Even though everything matches perfectly here, I just don't like how we don't tap a higher time from PD array to our left. That's the only problem. I would like to see price come down to this hourly fair value gap here, which would be nice. But like, even if we get to like the CISD here, I wouldn't take this long. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, so we get the CISD. Everything this long doesn't look bad. Right? This long doesn't look bad. But the only reason why I'm not taking this long is because like we don't tap a higher time from PD array. Like everything is aligning here. Everything is aligning in the notes. Everything is aligning. I just don't like it because we're not in a higher time from PD array. I mean, we are in this 15-minute, which could work. Standard deviation. Swept out all these lows. It could work. It could work. But I usually want to see like an hourly PD array, bro. I'm not doing it, bro. What about the true order block on the hourly? The CRT order block. Right here. We have an order block here. The thing is, I don't use order blocks, bro. I don't really use order blocks. Low key. I'm getting a buzz cut, bro. I have to. Longs here don't look bad. I'm not gonna lie. But we're not. But right now, we're not in my key time. I'm gonna look for longs at 9:45 ish. Even though this long looks good. I can't take it. Don't take it, kid. You're not. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Like 9:45. Like we could. No, no, I can't go longs right now, bro. I'll have to wait for key time. I'm trading the funded and the combine. I would rather just wait here. I want to look for longs. Like, bro, I would like to enter off this 5 minute inverse fair value gap, but bro, the stops would fucking go crazy, bro. Like, I would enter and then like my stops would literally go crazy. And plus, we have a breaker here also. I can't enter longs here. Like, the only reason why I don't like it is because we don't tap a higher top from PD array. Like, with this 15-minute gap has been like violated so many times. It's like I don't know if it's high probability or not. And plus, we kind of closed 50% mark of this gap. Or we're respecting constant encroachment of this fair value gap here. Is this a fair value gap? If we can get a candle closure above here, I'll look for longs. If we can get this order block, I'll go on and take longs here. If we can get this order block. Because right now we're acting off to a 5 minute inversion fair value gap here also. Or we're acting off to a 5 minute fair value gap here also. What would you target? I will target these accumulation highs above here. Key levels. You're right. I'll wait for this hourly fair value gap. Or like, if we get like structure up towards the upside, then I'll take it. But like right now we have a breaker here, a low, high, lower, low. We have a breaker, and if we can get above this order block or make this into like an order block, I would take it. But right now I would wait. $5 minutes ago you said you don't use order block. Oh my god, I never saw that. What do you mean? Or this is, I mean, chain USAT delivery is technically an order block, but I don't use just order, like, it's technically an order block, but yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. We're rejecting off this 1 minute low key. We're rejecting off this 1 minute fair value gap, but like I said, I want to see a closure above these bearish gaps. This, like, overall, this whole area here looks like accumulation, manipulation, and then like potentially distribution during a key time here. So right now we just wait. Yes, I'm using AMDX. Who turned me liquid? Bro, I'll turn any fucking bitch liquid, bro. I just gotta talk. I just gotta give her the riz. ES looks like it's going. ES looks like it wants to go higher. To be honest with you. Like I said, if we can get this CISD up here or this order block, I'll go ahead and take it. But now we have like bearish SMT at these highs. Or going to. YM is like all the way down. I want to be buying below the opening price of the 945. So it's like we could just enter off the CISD here. See what happens. Bro, I'm in the USA soon. Can I visit you? Of course, bro. Of course. Yeah, ES looks okay. ES looks like it's ramping up. Yeah, very just consolidating right now.
It's low key fine to put your stop loss at for value up as long as it's low enough because they might wick your ass out. But it doesn't always have to be at the low unless it already got swept. If it got swept, then it's fine. But if it doesn't, then it has to be at the low. But I always put it at the low, but the risk is low key gonna be a lot.
Alright, this is what I like. I like to see price come down to the hourly fair value gap like I marked out right here. That would be nice. But this order block could be high probability too. I like how this candle closed, bro. This candle was fucking gnarly. Alright, this is my CISD here. If we can get a CISD here, I'm taking it. Because it looks like we were just rejecting heavily off this consequent encouragement of this order block. And like, bro, if we can get the CISD right here, I'll take it. Plus SMT of these lows too. Low-key looking to buy 20 micros here, chat. This is a high probability setup in my opinion. If we can get the CISD here, I'll take it. Alright, I bought. Stops, we kind of got this low here. Target's like accumulation highs. And then like... I feel it was kind of trash, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Oh, fuck! Bro, I accidentally bought 20 more contracts, bro. I was like, what the fuck just happened? All right. Let's see what happens here. If price potentially comes back down to fair value gap, I'll look to add. But right now, I'm not looking to do much here. Bro, I accidentally clicked on buy 20 more, bro. Alright, so I'm in this long. We're in a key time area for distribution. We have a CISD, we have SMT. Standard deviation, projected price to go higher from this area. Like, it looks good. My stops is at this candle low. Of this rejection here. Manipulating all these lows down here. I'm gonna add 5 more cons here. I'm anticipating this fair value gap to hold here. I'll take some off. I'll go break even after we tap this consolidation area up here. I'm using micros, and I think the max contract is like, honestly I don't know. I don't use Top Step. So I want to see this fair value up here hold. Active support. We kind of just wait. The fill on my funded account was kind of bad, but the fill on my evals are so much better. Oh shit. Now we're probably just rebalancing this low right here because this is the devil's mark. ES looks way more bullish, bro, low key. This is like my last line of defense. This rejection block. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, probably gonna get stopped out here. Just let it hold. Alright, get stopped. Alright, right now we just wait. Because this everything here aligned perfectly, in my opinion. Alright, let's keep waiting here. Alright, so now we're tapping to my zone that I wanted price to be at. So now I'm gonna look for either higher. I'm gonna look for like a higher. I'm gonna look for a lower time frame entry here, bro. Honestly, I'm not even mad about that trade. That trade was decent. Plus, we're in a key time for distribution area too. So, and plus we had SMT, standard deviation, price rejecting higher, structure to the upside. Like everything was here. All right, I mean, we just wait. We still have SMT at these lows. If we can get like some sort of confirmation here, I'll look to re-enter longs. Let's see what happens. Perhaps if we can get potential CISD inversion for value gap, I'll take this. And plus, bro, like we had a breaker here also. Like it was just we were respecting the breaker, fair value gap here respecting. We came down, swept out the liquidity one more time, and then like fair value gap, CISD up here. Like I thought this was a good trade. So. Bro, nah. No, I'm looking for longs. I've been trading futures for almost like 2 years. Or 2 years now. Futures wise. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, no, I did see this 5-minute fair value gap here also. SMT divergence here. If we can inverse this 2-minute fair value gap here, I'll go ahead and take longs. We also have a 3-minute fair value gap, 3-minute bearish fair value gap here. If we can break above this 3-minute fair value gap here, I'll go ahead and take longs. Because that were at my desired key level. Fuck. Shall see what happens. I will never. Let's see if we can get this inverse this fair value gap. I don't wanna know. Let's see. It's been all right. Yo, cool. We gonna grab some girls. Yeah, we are. Absolutely. I completely agree with you. Bro, I took a long, bro. I just took a long. Around this area after the CISD. Stocks rather slow. Target is accumulation highs. Unfortunate. I'll do a whole trade recap. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs. Looking for longs. We're in the key level 2, but we could come down to this hourly fair value gap. But right now we're in an hourly fair value gap, etc. But right now I wouldn't take this right now anyways because there's no SMT at the lows. So right now we just wait. We just wait. See, look, see, this is like everybody has a different trading strategy, and we all see different things. So it's like someone says 4-hour demand, someone says 4-hour for value gap. Like, bro, it's just like I'm just like, bro, like we all see the same thing, or we all see different things. I see that we're gonna be G's and look for longs. Someone says, when you going to Philly? When am I going to Philly? I don't know if I'm going to Philly anymore, to be honest with you. The Huz and Philly are not feeling me. The Huz and Philly aren't feeling me, bro. Thank you, man. I am red. No SMT here. I'm not taking this. If there's no SMT at these lows, I'm gonna wait for retracement towards these highs and for us to go lower here. I've taken one trade so far. I guarantee your favorite day traders have taken a trade today and like they probably lost and they just don't want to show it. That's typically how it goes. You just wait. If we don't get SMT at the lows, I'm still gonna look for long or shorts. Nah, bro, I can hate. I'm gonna hate on everybody, bro. I'm gonna hate on everybody. I'm crashing out. I'm crashing out. You still talking to the girl you met recently? I'm not talking to anybody, bro. Fat, broken, chopped. Perhaps. Perhaps. Am I broke? Perhaps. I'm not selling, bro. I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs. But, like I said, if we don't have any SMT at these lows, then I'm looking for shorts. Looks like we don't have SMT at the lows. So now I'm looking for shorts, right? So where can I look for potential shorts, right? You may ask. Oh, look at that. We have a new dealing range leg. I want to see price come back up here, sort it out, and then go lower. But right now, I just wait. And plus, I entered at macros anyways, so. Let's see what happens. Look at the 4 hour before the doge that's happening. Yes, I see. Dumb. Yes. Why is my Snapchat like hella bright? Is it raining? Oh, it is raining. I'm gonna teach a girl how to trade, bro. I'm gonna grab a random like hot girl on the street and be like, yo, listen, come with me. I'm gonna teach you how to make millions. Okay? I'm gonna teach you how to make millions. And she's gonna be like, okay. And then I'm gonna bring her here, have her hop on stream, and I'm gonna teach her how to make millions, bro. And then I'm gonna give her market liquidity and then my liquidity after that, and it's gonna go out all over her freaking face. Watch. I know the way. I know the way of fucking everything. Alright, little NGAs, we gotta wait. Or should I just go to Pennsylvania? And like hurry up and take a trade so I can enter the opposite position. Bro, just wait. Stop, bro. Don't say that. Don't say bro, that's crazy. Bro, we just wait, bro. Like, ah, oh, damn it. Where's the... Bro. Kim wants me to download repo and then he'll give me signals, bro. Bro. Zay took longs too. Wait. Yeah, he took longs too. Yeah, so was I completely wrong if Zay took longs? I took longs this morning, but I may look for shorts if we don't, since we don't create any SMT at the lows. I'm looking for a potential. I'm looking at this as a potential retracement for us to go lower. Bro, bro. Let's see what happens. All right. So if we just do this again. 11:15 should be our. I want to see a continuation right now. I like this area as my consolidation. Boom. Manipulating higher. Now we can create a fair value gap here. We don't really have a fair value gap here. What time is this open? 10:15. We have these order blocks. We have a model 1 order block here. Just because we don't have SMT at the lows, I am looking for shorts, right? Let's see what happens here. We don't have much. Where's the next PD right here? Like the next PD is all the way up here. But we do have an order block here that I'm gonna mark out. Yes, it's for QT. Bro, supply and demand's a con artist, bro. I'm on that. I'm on that shit. I'm on that. I did trade the funded today. I'm down like $700 on the funded. Right now we just wait. I took a long up here. I lost.
Oh my gosh, you should have waited. This shit looks weird.
Even the HUDs are telling me to wait. Even the HUDs are telling me to wait. Ah. Like I said, I would take this short, but key time too. If we get the CISD, these consecutive down close candles. ES is in a 5-minute gap. We have SMT at the highs. If we get the CISD, I'll take this short. If we get the CISD, I'm taking this short, bro. Wait. Wait, the CIZ isn't until like this candle, to be honest with you. This is not my CIZ. I lied. I didn't realize. I thought this was a swing high for a second. This is a swing high that got swept. We took it out with this candle, so this is my CIZ. That's on me. I didn't realize that. That's on me. I'm not taking anything. Alright, if we can sweep here. Or if we can break below this candle. High, low, higher, high. This would be like my breaker area. Let's see if we can break below. See, that's why we wait. We could come back up. I don't like how there's no SMT internal here. Like I said, if we can get a CIZ here, I'll take it. This high would be my stop loss. Bro, YouTube chat is crazy, bro. Oh, you guys are crazy.
Dr. Reesers, and look what I'm here with. Dr. Reesers, and look what I'm here. Cody, I miss Megan, baby. Hey,
My stop loss goes at that high. Bro, we don't get the CIZ. Who knows? We could just rip down to this low, and that's completely fine. This is my CIZ. If it rips down, then I mean longs could be in play. Perfect. Okay, nice. Okay, so guess what? We did that. We did that, chat. All right, now we just wait. Sweep of these lows. All right, we're in this premium fair. We're in this discounted PDA right here. SMT divergence. Did we tap this gap, bro? Oh, no, we didn't. Can we tap this gap? It'd be nice if we did. Come on, tap it. Tap it. Tap it. There we go. Can we tap it? All right, nice. Okay, now longs look good here. All right, if we can get this bearish fair value up, get inverse, I'll take longs. That's the trade idea. I'm looking for this X to be reversal here. Looking for X to be reversal. Okay, never mind. We just wait. We just wait. I'm not longing this right now. I would wait. Sorry, I was talking to the host. Projecting. I'm projecting price. I'm projecting. Projecting. Bro, I'm not longing yet. I'm not longing yet. This is the tealing range. Why don't we just wait? We could enter shorts here, target this low. That could be a possibility, but my stops here will go crazy. High, low, higher, high. This is my breaker. This is your unicorn setup right here. I may give shorts here a stab. Stop loss, I like these highs. Oh, wrong position. If we tap this, I'll give longs here. I'll give shorts here one more try. Depending on what we do here, if we come down in versus gap here, then I'll short. Or if we come up to this area up here, I'll look for shorts. Or just OTE here is fine. I'll just enter off of OTE, bro. I'm trading both XFAs and combines. Let's see if we can tap OTE here. All right, OTE. Stop loss of this high. See how this plays out. Last trade for the day. OT of this range. No way. Alright, I'm getting off. I'm getting off, bro. I'm getting off. I'm getting off, bro. Bro, I'm getting off. Alright. Only reason why I shorted here was because we had no SMT at the lows, right? And then price, I was expecting price to come back up, retrace, fair value gap, OTE. We have a breaker. We had everything aligned here, OTE. And yeah, bro. Like, bro. Like, bro. Like, bro, this is... I don't know if it's just me. It could be just me, honestly. Fuck it. It could just be me. But, like, price... Price did tap my levels perfectly, bro. But, like, here... There's no SMT here. At all. Between ES and NQ. This is a breaker. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high that sweeps out liquidity. This is the breaker. Like, it's... Bro. Bro, it's okay. You guys are all bums too, bro. It's okay. You guys are all bums too, bro. So am I. Bro, why did I entered, bro? Like here, this was I honestly, I'm not mad about this trade. I'm okay with this loss. This trade here, like OTE of this range, bro. Like breaker, order block, like no SMT at the lows. Like obviously I'm looking for another fucking price like to come down to these lows. It's okay, we're all chopped. Bro. I'm about to just go eat like 30 hamburgers, bro. Nah, I'm playing. Unfortunate. Now we're pushing up. Probably retracement. Unfortunately. Now we OTE this range. I see. Alright, bro. You use my code. BAG, bro. BAG. Bro, I'm not entry. Bro, the thing is, like, out of everything, I think my psychology has gotten so much better. Like, out of everything, bro. Like, out of like everything, my psychology is probably the best. Like, I'm not even worried. Wow, 2 grand this month, down 2 grand. This is the eval though. Wait, I'm about to blow this eval. 98, bro. The trailing drawdown fucking caught up to me. It's fine. I'll bring it back up. I know I will. I'll bring the account back up. See the funded. Why is it bugged out? Oh well. It's gone. I'm not gonna log in. But I am down on the funded today. I'm down like 1,000, I think, on the funded. But let's see. GG's chat. I'm gonna go ahead and end the live stream here. Show data on strat, bro. Like right here, like this was a really nice trade that I took, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Boom, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right, and then longs here overall after. I always backtest. Like obviously I'm gonna lose today, was just not for me, I guess. Like here, I lost here. It's fine. I'm not really worried about this trade. Like it works overall. I'm not like I said, I'm not mad about it. Like it's, I'm not worried about it. Thank you, Yong the Asia. It's fine. I'll just leak Powell's shit, bro. Fuck it. I'll just leak Powell's stuff. Fuck it. I want to watch Powell's videos on live. I'm gonna be him. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. Took 2 L's. Down about a lot, low key. But I'm gonna make the trade recap. Yeah. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Use the code. Yeah, other than that, I will see you guys all tomorrow.